Everything's soldered in place, and the circuit board is glued into there, so that's the furthest I can get in to clean it. Nothing more I can do. Better. Still need to keep on going. Found a way to get deep inside of there. Wrap a damp cloth around the screwdriver and put that in there and wipe down all those little nooks and crannies. It's the only way I could find it. That's actually after like 4 passes. Not perfect, but a hell of a lot better than it was. A little bit more to do. It was a pain in the ass to get out, and even more of a pain in the ass to get back in. About as clean as I'm gonna get it. Now I just have the rest of this to clean. Oh, that's about the best I could get it without ripping everything apart. Anyway, I can't really clean these fans unless I take it all apart, and I'm not gonna do that because it's kind of hanging up on my wall right now. Anyway, clean CPU. Clean CPU cooler. Going back together. Okay, so it's kind of hard to spread thermal compound on a vertical surface. So I've done my best to dab it up on the cooler. Alrighty. Everything's reassembled. Just gonna need to double check everything. And oh yeah, those fans are not clean by far. Best I can do without taking it all apart. But we'll see. Moment of truth. Did I break anything? So far, so good. And we got winders. There we are. Nice and squeaky clean. Well, not completely. Whoa. Okay, that noise just started. I don't like that noise. Oh boy. Alright, that one is the noisy culprit. They were previously facing downwards, or the other way, but I changed, or actually no, that is how they were. Those fans are getting kind of old. Should probably replace them. But besides that, at least I didn't break anything. Yet. I know, the right side of it's still naked. But that's the important thing. That was hitting about 74 before I cleaned that cooler. Let's let it level out and see what happens. Oh, but I can feel the airflow now. I couldn't feel much airflow before, especially over here. I know, those fans are working against natural convection. But what can I do? Nice. Alright, now I gotta put a load on it. Okay, pardon the grinding noise outside. They're grinding up tree branches, but anyway. This is a stress test tool that I made. Currently we have a max temp of 69C. Nice. Alright, so I have a total of 16 threads, well, 8 cores, 16 threads. I'm not going to do all of them, I'm just going to, let's spawn 8. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's at half load now. Let's see what happens. Still nice. I call this tool Hurt My CPU. Let's go ahead and stop them. Now, I'm going to test it again, this time with, let's say, 12 out of 16. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3/4 load now. Alright. Still a nice peak. Oh, we're at 70, still pretty good. I think my work is done here. Oh, yeah, I never said it was perfect. Alrighty.